For my statistics assignment, I chose the topic studying accidents and whether they occur more when adults are driving or when teens are driving. Two variables that I picked for this experiment would be age, and the other would be how many accidents. Age could also be another word for experience, because when you're 16 and you get your license, you don't have much experience, but when you're 45, you're going to assume that one has more experience than a 16-year-old. My hypothesis for this assignment was I believe that teenagers are more likely to get in car accidents because the younger the age and the less experience, the more accidents they are likely to get into. I chose about 5 sources, all coming from .org or .gov websites, and I said that these sources are trustworthy because of where they come from an organization or from a government, which means they're reliable. And out of the 5, I mainly used one because it had the most clear and precise data that I liked using. So the ages that I used were 5 categories, and the ages were 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 41 to 45, 51 to 55, and 61 to 65. And my hypothesis proved correct that there was a correlation between the younger the age, the more accidents occurred. So as the age got older, the amount of accidents decreased. As I stated before, that there was an apparent correlation between the two variables because as the age goes up, the amount of accidents occurring goes down. And in my data, the younger the age, the more accidents occur, while the older the age, the less accidents occur. I then presented my data in a graph, and the graph clearly shows how my data has a really strong correlation and goes with what my hypothesis is stating. So, does my research have validity? And I think my research proved to be very valid. It had a very strong correlation. I proved my hypothesis that more accidents do occur if the driver is younger, and my graph and data table show a very steady trend and a very strong correlation.